Cinnamon or something up in here. Bro, zucchini straight from the garden.
Ooh, wow.
Cinnamon is good, isn't it?
You have the same receipt. You got a recipe book.
Oh yeah, do y'all want some butter or coconut oil to go on top? I wasn't sure if y'all were down with the butter.
I'll say some butter on it, cuz.
Ooh, good. Yeah.
You know, butter, what De'Ara say, butter make it taste better. I love some butter. Oh, this is so good. That's homemade.
You know it's good because Quinn live like.
Hey, bro.
Grand Rising. Yes, I said. Queen, can you cut the car off right quick? Alrighty. Grand Rising. And yes, I said Grand Rising. I don't care what y'all think. It is a new day, a new rising. Today we're going to go on an adventure. We're going to go out of the state, which is 30 minutes from where I live, but it's all in all an hour and a half. We're gonna go to Alabama. We're gonna visit Kirinyaga Wellness retreat. They hold naturalistic courses. I went there about a month ago for a retreat, like a one-day retreat situation. Had one of the best experiences of my life. Like, I did not know what to expect. I just was invited out there. And when I got there, just straight peace. So we're gonna go back. She has a really dope apothecary. She's got a dope greenhouse. She got a dope garden. She got a dope dinner set up. We're gonna have some lunch there. So you guys are gonna get to experience a little bit of the Kirinyaga Wellness experience with us. And you're gonna get to meet Kenya, who hosts all of the events there, and it's her space. She's super dope. I can't wait to see her, and I cannot wait to be in this space again. So let's get going on our trip. You want to sit in the front?
This one right here?
No, that one right there.
Here?
Yeah. So an hour and a half later, we have made it here. Really kind of like 2 hours, but we've made it here. We are in the Alabama mountains. You can see a couple of views of the mountains around here. And I'm in front of Kenya's nice garden here. I'm excited to get started, and I'm excited for you guys to meet Kenya and see her beautiful face, her beautiful skin, and just find out what we're going to be doing here today. And it's going to be an experience. So this part is going to be our vlog where you're going to see us making hydrosols, and we're also going to be just talking about essential oils as well. That's what we use in our products at Urban Eden. So this is very near and dear to my heart. I love that Kenya is just very down to earth and into gardening and herbalism, as is myself. So we are definitely kindred spirits. So it's always good times when we link up together. So I can't wait for us to get started and get going. We are finally here. Yes.
Y'all would like the experience of watching it brew and everything.
Yeah, I saw some steam or something coming through. I didn't know what was what. I was like, I don't know if the essential oil is heating up or what happened. Yes, I think a lot of the camera stuff is gonna be natural, but yeah. I think it's a good time to introduce you. Okay, go ahead and start out.
Go ahead.
Hey, I'm Kenya Wade. I'm the owner of Kirinyaga Wellness. Kirinyaga Wellness is a holistic wellness center that offers massage therapy, private dining, naturalistic courses like gardening or herbalism or distilling. That's what they're going to experience today, is making a hydrosol. But we're in Gaston, Alabama, 3 minutes from the Coosa River. I think you'd really enjoy it if you decided to come out.
Yes. Do y'all see this spread? I mean, she does not slack when it comes to aesthetic, okay? She's gonna make sure she goes all out and just really give you an experience that I've never had anybody bring me out a tray like this. So this is really unique. What's in the, oh, I thought that was like some herb or something right there.
It's CBD honey.
Ooh.
The guy that I go to for my Delta 8, he gave me a bunch of CBD honey and CBD infused tea. So that's what y'all gonna have today.
We're gonna be relaxed.
Yeah.
Relaxed.
I tried it out this morning and yeah, it's good. I like it a lot.
Since you told me about Delta 8, when I went to Nashville, I tried some like Delta 8 gummies, but they had like some THC in it, and this was at the liquor store. And when I tell you, I was sitting around like, did I smoke a blunt or something? I was like, oh gosh, I'm super relaxed.
Yeah.
So that was really, really dope. Since you had recommended it, I tried it.
I did that one time at work and I can't do that again. Yeah, I'm like, why am I so relaxed?
Yeah, I'm a little too relaxed.
I was moving too slow, and that's when I was serving. So you know you can't move slow when you're
them
serving.
kind of problems.
Yeah.
I'm used to that life. This bread looks so good. So you handmade the bread too?
The zucchini came from the garden, and yeah, I made the bread.
Wow.
These are some big old pieces of bread too.
It was amazing. Like everything's like handmade out here.
Yes, I'm telling you, she only playing.
I need to get the bites. Get the bites.
Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, she must have put some cinnamon or something up in here. Brown. Zucchini straight from the garden.
Ooh, wow.
Cinnamon is good, isn't it?
Okay, the same said you got a recipe book.
Oh yeah, do y'all want some butter or coconut oil to go on top? I wasn't sure if y'all were down with the butter.
I'll take some butter on there, cuz.
It's good.
Yeah.
You know, butter, what De'Ara say, butter make it taste better. I love some butter. Oh, this is so good. That's homemade.
You know it's good because Quinn live white.
Hey, bro. You better get off of me.
He said his lips white.
He lives
That's
white.
how you know he hungry.
Y'all was talking about walking around and going, I'm like, about to eat this bread.
About to eat this bread.
Eat that bread.
He's like, hold on the store. I need to eat first. Yeah, this is definitely good and filling. I'm telling you, hospitality is like second to none. Like I said, this is my second time coming here, but the first time I didn't know what to expect. And like, even she had our tent set up, she had like air mattresses in all of the tents, herbs hanging down from the tent. She had like a snack basket of like just some light healthy snacks in case we were hungry. She had some like CBD roll-ups for us, which was like, that was just different. I love that. The fact that we was able to just like,
Right.
you know, smoke some little CBD roll-ups.
I made zucchini bread before, remember?
I think I remember that. It kind of brought me back to that because I was like, either we had zucchini fritters or zucchini bread.
What is that?
It's a antique coffee maker, tea maker. Wow.
It's a replica from the 18th centuries. Only the dignified people had that in their home, and it was a statement piece. They would sit around. It takes about 10-15 minutes, so it's a slow process.
Yeah.
But it is wonderful to watch. It really is.
Oh, that's so
It's a
good.
beautiful piece in general.
Purchase your tracks today.
When I say that we are kindred spirits, this is what I mean. We are makers. Like, we make with our hands. Like, so she is getting creative with everything, utilizing everything in her space to do really cool things. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I love this space. Alrighty. We're gonna get on with the flow and get to going. The reason why we do this today. Distilling. use the wash bowl to wash my hands.
Go first because your hands are not as dirty.
Show me how to do it though.
Let's see. You can lift the lid and pick up the water pitcher, and then just fill the bowl with water.
Okay. And I can set the pitcher to the side on the table,
Yes. And then there's towels underneath the stand whenever we're done.
And this is liquid soap right here, right?
Oh yeah, that's liquid soap.
Washing your hands never looks so good.
Okay, like this is ancient. So yes, we just finished up the educational portion of the vlog where we just learned how to make hydrosols. Y'all, I just washed my hands in a old school wash basin. Everything that Kenya does is antique, y'all. She has antique everything. I'm always asking her, where did you get that? So she does a lot of antique shopping around here. I gotta come back so that I can shop with her at the antique store. Now we're about to have lunch over here. When I tell you that she does not skimp on presentation, like she's super on point. She makes sure that she is a 5-star guest, Southern hospitality at its finest. So me and the guys are about to sit back, relax, and just enjoy the vibe out here and feel serene. IPA this is though. I don't know how she said she don't like IPAs, y'all. IPAs are my favorite beer. Like if it's not an IPA, I rarely want it. This one, it's tasting like fruity or something.
It is fruity.
Yeah, it's like fruity. It's good. It's like citrus.
I usually don't drink beer, but when I do, I prefer an IPA. Stay thirsty. Feed me grapes. Feed me grapes. Feed me a grape. Why you hate me? Y'all, today was a day. I'm thankful. I'm grateful. Thank you, Kenya.
My pleasure. It was definitely my pleasure.
I appreciate you. Thank you, Kirinyaga Wellness. Before we're leaving, we get to take home. We've had a day. We've been eating. She fed us very well, and in the meantime, our cucumber hydrosol came about, and so that's what's in this jar. And then right here, we have a rose hydrosol, rose hip, spearmint hydrosol, and then a preservative added because hydrosols, you need a little bit of preservative included in there. I can't wait to use these because you see Kenya over here fanning. It's hot.
It's hot.
It's summertime.
It's hot.
It's summertime, and hydrosols are one of the best things that you can use to cool your body down during a hot moment. And like I said, this experience has just been amazing. I came here in March and I had to come back. Jazz came to me and was like, y'all already knew that I was gonna be one of the first people back. I was like, y'all know this is my whole vibe.
Yeah, you are the first person back.
This is my whole vibe, my whole situation. When she said she was offering courses, I knew that I had to take advantage because her apothecary is super dope. I mean, she lives off the land daily. This is goals right here. So I definitely had to come back, and thank you for having me back. Thank you for welcoming me.
Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. Because y'all drove from Atlanta to here. And it was worth the drive.
We're like Villarica. It wasn't that far. It's not that far. Villarica is actually closer to Alabama, so it wasn't that far, thankfully. Because we live even 40 minutes from Atlanta at the most. So it wasn't that bad, and I will always come back. We already talked to Jazz about coming back out here for a hike, y'all. I'll be trying to be active on the weekends, get my hiking in. So we've been getting it in. But thank y'all for joining us and catching us during this vlog. Thank you for joining us, and thank you, Kenya, for having us in your space, treating us like kings and queens, royalty.
Because you deserve it. And anyone who comes by, just know you deserve something like this. Dote on yourself and let me take care of you. It would just be an honor. It really would. So thank you again, Taryn.
Thank you for having us. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Peace, y'all.
Bye.
Sorry about that.